In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account without needing a phone number. So if you've been wondering how to get started on Amazon without sharing your phone information, you're in the right place. This quick and simple guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Amazon and hit enter. You should see a list of search results. Go ahead and click on the first link that appears. This link will take you straight to the Amazon homepage. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the option saying, "Hello, sign in." Click on this option. Now, under the sign in section, you will find a link saying, "Start here for new customers." Click on Start Here to begin the registration process. Now you'll land on the account creation page. Here comes the part where you don't need a phone number. Instead, you'll enter your email address in the provided field. After you've typed in your email address, simply click on the button that says Continue. Next, you'll see an option that prompts you to proceed with account creation. Click on Proceed to create an account and you're well on your way. Now, it's time to fill in some personal details. Enter your first and last name as required. These fields help Amazon personalize your shopping experience, so make sure that the information you provide is accurate. The next step is to create a strong password. Enter your desired password into the field and then re-enter it to confirm. A strong password usually consists of a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, which makes it harder for anyone to guess. After setting up your password, click on Verify Email. Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you provided earlier. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Amazon. It will contain the verification code needed to proceed. Once you have the code, return to the registration page and enter it in the space provided. After verifying your email, click on Create Your Amazon Account. Follow any remaining prompts you might encounter to finalize the setup process. And there you have it. You've just created an Amazon account without the need for a phone number. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.